What is cinnamon slate? Cinnamon slate is a rich, earthy color blending deep heathered plum with velvety brown undertones. It was chosen as Benjamin Moore's Color of the Year 2025, reflecting a growing trend toward warm, inviting, and sophisticated hues in interior and exterior design. Works with modern, classic, and rustic aesthetics, creates a cozy and grounding atmosphere. Luxurious yet subtle. Adds depth and elegance without overwhelming a space. Where is it used? Interior walls and accent walls, bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. Furniture and cabinets add sophistication to kitchens and dining spaces. Exterior facades and front doors, timeless and elegant curb appeal. Decor and accessories, pillows, rugs, curtains, and artwork for a subtle touch. Imagine a color that blends the warmth of cinnamon with the depth of slate. Meet cinnamon slate, the trending hue of 2025. Best color pairings with cinnamon slate. Neutrals. Glacier white. Sea salt. Paris rain. You can also watch the relevant video about these colors in this channel. Tips and budget-friendly ideas. Affordable ways to use cinnamon slate. Painting a single wall or furniture piece. Using accessories like pillows, curtains, and rugs. Tips for using cinnamon slate in kitchen design. Use cinnamon slate for lower cabinets or an accent island to create contrast with lighter upper cabinets. Best paired with creamy whites, glacier white. Matte versus glossy finish. Matte gives a soft, modern look. Semi-gloss adds a subtle sheen, making the color more vibrant. Tips for using cinnamon slate in living room design wall and accent wall ideas. Use cinnamon slate for an accent wall. Best behind a sofa, fireplace, or TV unit to create a focal point. Pair with neutral or soft white walls for balance like glacier white. Use light furniture and decor to avoid a heavy look. Furniture and upholstery pairings. Best sofa colors with cinnamon slate walls. Light beige or cream softens the richness of the wall color. Muted green adds an earthy contrast. Deep blue creates a bold, luxurious feel. What's your thought about it? Thank you for your support. Home Makeover.